In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable form and connect it to an automation. We're going to walk through the full process of building a form inside Airtable, setting up what should happen after someone submits it, and then testing everything before turning it on. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual follow-up, and make sure every form submission triggers the next step automatically. First, open the Airtable base where you want your form responses to be stored. This is important because every form in Airtable is connected to a specific table, and the responses will be saved there as new records. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct base and working in the right table, so your submissions stay organized from the start. Next, create a new form view or open an existing one if you already have a form set up. The form view is what people will actually fill out, so this is where you control the experience for your users. If you're creating a new one, Airtable will generate it based on the fields in your table, and you can then customize it from there. Once the form view is open, add the fields users need to complete. Think carefully about what information is actually necessary. Keeping your form clear and focused helps improve completion rates and makes the responses more useful. You can include the relevant fields from your table and arrange them in a logical order so the form is easy to follow. After the form is ready, go to the Automations section in Airtable. This is where you define what happens automatically after a form submission comes in. Automations are especially useful if you want to streamline communication, update records instantly, or alert someone on your team without doing it manually each time. From there, choose a trigger. A common option is to start the automation when a form response is submitted. The trigger is the event that tells Airtable when the automation should begin, so selecting the right one is essential for making the workflow behave as expected. Now add an action. Depending on your workflow, this could be sending an email, updating the record that was just created, or notifying a team member. The action is the result that happens after the trigger. So this is where the automation becomes truly useful. Before you rely on it, submit a test form and check whether the automation works correctly. Testing helps you confirm that the trigger fires properly and the action does exactly what you intended. Once everything looks good, turn on the automation. From that point on, your Airtable form and automation will work together automatically whenever a new response is submitted.